Alright, this is part 2 of removing the pump. First thing you need to do is loosen up this clamp here. I guess it doesn't matter which one you do. This one's closer, and to me this one's easier to deal with. So we're going to start with that one there. We're going to loosen it up. And because it's probably haven't been removed in a while, just take a small flathead and you just want to kind of lift and go around that plastic tubing very carefully, just till you see it move like that and there's a little bit of play. And we're going to use the pressure once we're taking the rest of the pump off for it to come up. Alright, now using a 13 mil socket, we're going to go ahead and take off these screws. We have 1, 2 on the top and 1 and 2 on the bottom. Okay, 1, bottom one here. There's a little pain to get your hands in. There we go. 2. They all come with a washer. Pay attention. Alright. And 3. And 4. It's right down in here. Hard to reach here. And there's number 4. Get it out of there. Now you can gently rock your case a little bit. And some might just come off, and some might be more of a fight, especially if you're in salt water. Keep that in mind. This one seems to look like it's separated, and the only thing that's holding us now is that hole. So we're just going to use both hands and slowly pull that carefully. A good way to do this is to stick your hand inside the pump and place your other hand right up here and kind of pull out. And there you go. This is the first top part. And as again, we like to keep our things in giant pieces. There's no sense of taking every single screw off. So here it is. Alright, we're going to go ahead and clean up the little debris that we got in here. Not much. This is actually pretty clean. And this is another time that you can take some inspection looks. And you can see we got some damage right there on that blade. We'll take a better look when we get this more out. Alright, so we went ahead and threaded these screws that we took off. These were the 4 screws holding on the front faceplate of the pump, and we just kind of got them gently threaded back in. I see some severe damage on these blades, and that probably explained why this thing wasn't moving at all. So we might have some major problems coming up soon. And just a little FYI, this is where you connect your hose to run it on land. Alright, now using 11/16, we're going to remove these 4 bolts and then gently pull that off. And there we are.